Hi. Uh-huh. Wow. You want to get some more?
What? I don't know. That's
Pulling on the rope. I said, here, hold this while I cut it. Because Mark, you ready? I'm over here trying to.
Oh.
But he needs help. Look, it's harder than you think right there. Let me get a little louder because it's hard to get on that.
What are they getting up there for?
for God see. It's getting that tree.
Yeah, I can't get it. But it's a little seed up there.
You stay back over here, Jake.
Yeah.
Yeah, stay here. Better
not do anything bad on the phone. No. I'm gonna check my caller ID to make sure you aren't making phone calls.
Call boys.
Make sure you don't call.
What you got to young
I'm
call
gonna call
boys?
the last dial number.
Come on, Jax.
Hurry up. So the food doesn't hit you. You don't know where, so they're going to go ahead and stay here.
He's okay.
Oh, okay. You can go with them. Hurry up. Be quiet.
Jack, make sure you let us know what's going on in there. That's only plugged in to the chainsaw.
Because Steve's going to hang on to the saw because he don't want to lose his saw. Maybe cut it, let it go, and then cut it. Whatever.
Is that heavy? Is that pole?
And what's that heavy for me? You're not carrying it. It's not heavy now.
What'd you do?
Broke it. I just had a cat.
You do another one?
Yeah.
Hey, look, that was a rock and brick fireplace. I don't have one.
Laura, watch out.
You don't?
That's a party plant. No, I'm mad. Mine's like yours. They got the rock and the brick.
Oh, yeah.
Fireplace.
Yeah.
Show you.
And ours has that algae all over it right now.
Yeah, so does that. Good. How are you?
Oh, for an old man, not too bad. What's that say? Ma'am?
Oh, Mamacita.
Mama Rita?
Show you.
Mamacita.
Mama, who's that?
I don't know. Some shirt my kid got.
She's a chica.
It'll be that time of year again. Water. Boy,
Good job, Jack.
Didn't they?
yes.
These guys have done a great job.
Carl and I were like, oh, this is gonna be a lot of work. What to do?
Pull, Jack, pull.
There goes Paul's drink.
She's out, Jakey.
What happened there?
Do you have an extra one?
Look at her dad.
No. Oh, there it goes. Wow.
And everything works, right? Yeah, it works. Pulled it right
What's that smell like, Christina?
Ehow.com.
Smells like. What country is this?
Chinese elm.
Smells like fresh Chinese elm.
Smells
good.
Yeah, don't run into this piece right here. That'll hurt your leg.
What are you talking about?
All right.
How'd that feel, Mark?
It feels awesome. How do you think, Terry? What do you think about that?
And when that hit that ground,
Fingertip.
This is an exact measure.
You get a measuring tape, too.
that's
32 feet.
Brad, too.
Hey Brad, it was great. I just lost one arm.